Well, hey family, happy Wednesday. This is Darlene stopping by real quick. So I am working on, now I did this for a client and I put together, well, by the time I finished, it was about 40. I put together initially 30 mystery bracelet kits for a client. By the time I was finished, I had put together 40 for her, right, for a event that she was having. So I said, you know what, that's a really good idea. I'm going to go ahead and offer those up on my channel. So this is the box, and it is a mystery bracelet box. So what comes in the mystery box, Darlene? Well, what comes in the mystery box is, first of all, what's included in your jewelry kit. So this will give you a rundown when you open the box, what's in the mystery kit. So you have that. You get 30 inches of 1.5 stretch cord, beautifully packaged. You will get 4 charms with 4 jump rings. Now, it'll be a mystery box. So whatever box, which are limited boxes, I'm only doing a limited amount of boxes. So this one has 4 of the cowrie charms with 4 jump rings, and this one, right? So when you order, whoever orders, when you order, you may not get what's in this box. That's why it's called a mystery box, but it gives you an idea of how many of something should be in a box. So in this case, it's 4 of the cowrie hand painted charms with 4 jump rings, right? Beautifully packaged. And then you will get an extra jump ring and charm. In this case, this one is a coconut chip with a jump ring, because you can't put the charms on without jump rings. So we got that. And then you will get 25 of the hand painted beads. Now they may not be the tie-dye beads. They may be red. They may be blue. They may be black with gold. They may be the white with gold. They might be the cow print. They might be those colors down there. That's why it's called a mystery box, right? So these are going to be available for a limited amount of time on my website. So that's the 25 beads, and these are 20 millimeter wood beads. And then you get, of course, 4 charms with 4 jump rings, 30 inches of 1.5 stretch cord, which is what I generally use for the bigger beads. And then you will get an extra jump ring and charm. So that basically gives you 5 charms. And then you'll have the directions, not necessarily directions, but what's included in your mystery box. And I am going to put in like instructions on how to stretch the cord and do all that kind of stuff, just in case if it's people that buy the kits and they're not sure, about the cord, let them know to stretch the cord before you actually make the bracelet and all that good stuff. So the person, by the time they string everything on here, they should have a beautifully made boho bracelet, nice and chunky. And these are good for if you're doing events, or you just having a girls' day, or you want to do a mother-daughter day. You got a picnic you're going to. You guys got a barbecue, family reunion, or something like such, or even just because I do know a lot of people will do vision board parties, right? Because I went to one recently. People would do vision board parties, and these make really good. Because I was there when the lady, well, I don't want to call her a lady, but a friend of mine got the kits that I put together for her event. Then people had an amazing time. They made their bracelets, they wore their bracelets, they were just like really excited. And it's not a really long type of project for anybody to do, but it is a cool project for people to do collectively. But just wanted to share this with you real quick. So Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK, and I hope everybody have a really good day. And guess what? We'll talk.